Today I'm going to be reviewing or showing how to use the new Stila highlighter, Glitter and Glow, the Queen, I believe it's called Queen. So you can go very chunky, or you can blend it out and then it just looks more smoother and just like a pretty glittery type of look. Like so. So for a very, very light, easy look, I just put some on my fingers so I don't have to swipe it onto my cheekbone or whatever it's called, the highlight bone. I like to put it above my eyebrow, I don't know why. And then I just like blend it out. It doesn't break up the makeup or anything, but it does give like a very pretty glittery shine when you're in the sun. It just looks like bam, like, you know, blind the haters with the glitter. You know, like what is it called? It would be great for Coachella and stuff like that, you know, to look extra and super glittery, or if you're just an extra person in general, just wear it every single day. So this is what it looks like on. I wear it all day long. It doesn't fade away. It looks super pretty. Oh, and if you guys want me to show you how to do the makeup like this, I don't know if that looks good, but if you want to see more, please comment, like, and subscribe.